Are you searching for a fast and easy way to apply a professional grade ceramic coating to your car? A product that anyone can use without any training or experience. 3D Ceramic Touch is a spray-on, wipe-off SiO2 ceramic coating that's super easy to apply. Simply mist the spray onto a body panel and spread with a microfiber towel. Wait 30 seconds and then re-wipe this section to level the coating and remove any excess. It's that fast and that easy. Ceramic Touch forms a semi-permanent bond of SiO2 protection to the surface that will easily last up to 1 year and longer. The durable layer of SiO2 protection creates a slick, glassy, super hydrophobic surface that beads water like crazy. Your car will self-clean anytime it rains, and future washing and drying will be faster and easier. 3D Ceramic Touch will give your vehicle that glassy, wet look shine with super water-beating ceramic protection and the satisfaction of doing it yourself while saving time and money.